Is this a watermelon?
Mm-hmm.
Watermelon? Very good.
Next, I just want to talk to you guys about my watermelon juice. I'm making the watermelon Sour Patch Kids, so I am just using the watermelon juice. What I did is I took some fresh watermelon, blended it up in a blender, and then passed it through a sieve to get rid of any seeds or any pulp, just to get some fresh strained juice. So I just want to talk to you guys about these molds for a second. So because I'm making Sour Patch Kids, I really want them to look the part. So I scoured the internet, really any website I could think of, mostly Amazon, for a Sour Patch Kid silicone mold, or really any type of material mold, and it does not exist. But what does exist is a putty that you can use to make your own silicone mold. So it's just two different types of putty, and then you take those two different colors and mold them together until you get a uniform light blue color. Roll that out and then press whatever you want to mold into that silicone. I chose actual store-bought Sour Patch Kids. If you don't dissolve the sugar first, they're going to be a little bit grainy inside, but I really didn't care about that too much because when you put the sugar on them after they're done, you really don't see much detail anyway. So I really didn't concern myself too much with that and just press them in there. And then you just leave that for about an hour to cure, and then you take them out and you're all set. So I've coated all of my Sour Patch Kids. These are the orange. And this is the lemon. And these ones are the watermelon. These are my personal favorite. So good. That is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for what you would like to see next, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like. Let me know. Helps me out a lot. And subscribe to the channel to make more messes with me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.